To show images, to show text on hovering images, we shall use what we call flip box. After you get in your flip box, drop it there. After dropping it there, we shall remove this text. Then here, background, we shall use an image. For example, we shall use this one. Set it to center, full width, and background, we shall add some text. For example, we can get the text like this one, this lorem text. We add it here. So what we do, we shall change the background here also to image. Make sure that you select the same image, this very image. Set it to center and cover. After setting it like that, then you can increase the size of the height of it like that, depending on what you need. Then this is the flip. We can even set flip. We can set the slide. We can set the zoom. We can set the zoom out. Then we can set fade. We shall use the fade. Then you can duplicate this into the columns you may need. For example, I need 3 of them. So I can style now the text. Go to style, go back, title, set it to white, increase the size and the pixels, then that one. Text also, set it to white, increase the size like to 20 and spacing like that. Button also you can still set it up. So after that, go back to content, go to background overlay, bring this one to here, to this, like that. Save, copy, paste. Then you can have this. You can even change this background. You can even show a different image on hover. To do that, go to background, select this, look for the image you need to set, like this one, or a map, set it on hover, so that when you hover, you see different image and content. So that's how you can set. Then this one, you can style it like putting the setting up under settings. You can put the radius like 20, like that, depending on how you need. You can style based on what you need, but this is how you can create it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.